This is the look of the canvas when you join Graspable Maths activities. Let's see some buttons that you probably will need it. Transform, you can move each term from side to side or tap the equality sign to move the sides together. And then undo button on the top right. Draw button, you can write down something or draw something. Erase button. Arrange button, you can move the box of the mathematical equations or the box of text type. Because we want to use formula, look at the formulas button. Remember to click on the formulas and drag the formula to solve the quadratic equation. You'll see it later. And also you can show all the working process. Okay, now go back to the quadratic equation. How to solve these quadratic equations without factorization? Click the formulas button, drag the formula into the quadratic equations. Graspable Math will give you the formula. And then you simplify by tapping the multiplication, the squared from 7 squared, and then simplify, addition, subtraction. And then if you want to check your working process, drag the circle button down, and then simplify again the square root, and then tap the plus minus, will give you two values of x. Okay. Yeah. So you may try to solve the quadratic equation from the question below, number 2. You can try after this, yeah? Okay. Next, canvas number 2 until number 5 about solving simultaneous equations. You learned last week, but this time involve the formulas because at the end you cannot factorize the quadratic equations. Yeah, you see there are linear equation and non-linear equations. Okay, I will give you example how to solve simultaneous equations from Canvas 3. Question number 2. Okay, how to solve these simultaneous equations where one linear and the other one non-linear. From the linear one, make x the subject. Move plus 4y from left to right. And then I arrange a bit the box just to make it nicer to look. Okay, and then I substitute x from linear into the non-linear. You see this? When you substitute x, it will substitute both values of x from the non-linear. Simplify, tap the square, tap the multiplication, move the y inside brackets, tap the yy, become y squared, move 2 inside brackets, and then collect the same terms, move negative 8y squared into 16y squared, combine them together, same with the y and same with the constant. At the end, make your right hand side equal to 0. You will see the general form of the quadratic equations, right? And then if you want to check your working process, drag the circle button next to the equation down. This time I don't need it. Okay, formula. Drag the formula into the quadratic equations and then simplify. Tap the multiplication, tap the square to simplify, tap the addition or subtraction to simplify, tap the multiplication in denominator, tap the square root to simplify, tap the plus minus to give you two values of y. Now you see there are two values of y, right? But don't stop until this step because you need to find the two values of x, right? Because this is simultaneous equations, contains x and y variables. Okay, from the linear equations, I move the linear next to the value of y. Okay, why I did that? Just to make me easier to look, yeah. And then I copy the x equals 6 minus 4y because I need two values of x, right? And then I substitute one by one. the y into the x. I drag y, simplify, tap the multiplication, tap the addition. The other y, simplify, tap the multiplication, tap the subtraction, until I get two values of x. Now, how to write down your final answer? Yeah, write down the set of solution and write the two pairs of x comma y. Yeah, I round up into 3 significant figures only for my final answer. After this, it's your time to use Graspable Math to solve all the questions given for today's activities. I hope you enjoy it, even though you can do it manually, but this time for you to try new apps, Graspable Maths.